This 2025 Keystone Bullet Crossfire East 2290BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 26 feet 9 inches in length and features a Tranquil Timber interior, sleeps 8, stovetop burner, air conditioning, microwave, oven, external shower, spare tire kit, awning, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Bullet Crossfire East 2290BH is 5,540 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.